Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to use ChatGPT for writing. So you can see you can use various prompts to write different type of stuff. So like for example, if we're going to be using writing a blog post, so I have just entered a prompt, can you provide me some ideas for my blog post, and then you can modify it. Like for example, can you provide me some ideas for blog posts related to photography? So enter that prompt, and now ChatGPT will write you some points, like for example some ideas related to your photography. And also you can use another prompt, like for example you can write newsletters, so you can structure a weekly newsletter topic and newsletter, enter photography, then enter the prompt, and then you'll be able to see that ChatGPT will generate a beautiful newsletter for you. So you can see you have a very good structure with introduction, featured photo of week, photography, and so on and so forth. So you can see all of this newsletter is generated. Last but not least, you can use ChatGPT to write your product description for my, like for example, camera. So if you are selling a camera or something, you can simply use ChatGPT for that, and you can see it will highlight key features and give it a really nice look. So that's how you can use ChatGPT for writing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.